영어 동화 세상 리틀팍스.
Rocket Girl, there is a terrible problem. Metro City needs your help.
Hey, look up in the sky, who's that? Flying so high, higher than a bird or plane. Do you know her name? Listen up, her name is Rocket Girl. No, you can't stop this girl. She's strongest and bravest girl. She's here to save the world.
Black mask, red cape, blue suit and red boots. A small-bodied superhero, yeah, yeah.
Check it out.
She loves everybody, but not evil villains. So beware, be prepared for the hero.
Shout her name.
Rocket girl, supergirl, shooting lasers from her eyes. Beat the evil villains. Hooray for a hero. Rocket girl, hero girl, Metro City's in danger. We need your help right away. Come save the day.
Get on it, hey. Rocket Girl, get on it. Evil villains don't want it, so get on it. Rock on, Rocket Girl, Rocket Girl, rock on. Rock on, Rocket Girl. Yeah, she's the one and only.
Rocket girl, supergirl, with her superpower can beat the evil villains. Hooray for a hero! Rocket girl, hero girl, Metro City's in danger. We need your help right away. Come save the day.
Rock,
Yeah.
Go, go, are you ready to go to the Western Paradise? With our good friends, journey to the West.
Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, Zubajie, the greedy pig, Sha Jing, the purple spirit, the Tang Monk to protect. The demons, evil spirits, monsters, we'll fight them all together. The true scriptures will be in our hands and our forgiveness.
Go, go, are you ready to go to the Western Paradise? Fly on a cloud and have an adventure over mountains and rivers. We will never give up without good friends. Journey to the West.
In the middle of a park, two neighbors live in a tree. A friendly bird and a little chipmunk. It's a nice and quiet place. Oops! Bird, 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 bird. Pip, 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 pip. Look out! Be careful! The troublemaker is coming through. Flying, driving, sailing, rolling, no one can stop the little chipmunk. Bird and Kip, the jolly wally friends. Bird and Kip, the funny wally friends. Where are they gonna go? What are they gonna do? What's gonna happen to them today?
office right now.
Come on, let's go. Ring the bell, Lucy PJ. Come on, let's go. Unleash your space patrol. Ringo and Bob, Lucy and PJ, fly the spaceship. You have been mission, fly through space, rescue planets, feel the rookies of space patrol. Boom, 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 it's exciting. Bam, 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 it's amazing. Dangerous space, take off right now. Don't worry, we're gonna save the day. Come on, let's go. Ring the bell, Lucy PJ. Come on, let's go. Unleash your space patrol. Zoom across the set, splash, bam, slide on the ice. There are lots of adventures, watch Avengers everywhere. Come on, let's go. Ring the bell, Lucy PJ. Come on, let's go. Unleash your space patrol. Here we go, real space patrol.
Where should we go after school? A place with fun and joy every day. What are we gonna make? What are we gonna play? Oh yes, it's gonna be a wonderful day. Let's have fun at Kids Central. Let's have fun together at Kids Central. Let's have fun at Kids Central. Let's have fun together at Kids Central. La 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 la. Welcome to Kids Central. Stir stir, Lena, run run, Bobby, stop the video game, Jason. Hula hula hoop, Izzy, fly a kite, Ethan. Everyone, Miss Shelley's calling you now. Let's have fun at Kids Central. Let's have fun together at Kids Central. Let's have fun at Kids Central. Let's have fun together at Kids Central. La 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 la. Welcome to Kids Central. La 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 la. Welcome to Kids Central.
Good morning, monsters. It's going to be a wonderful day.
Ben the ghost is new to school. He meets some new friends. Winnie, Waldo, Getty, and Mop. Together the fun begins. Monster Academy, full of mystery. Monster Academy.
into other worlds where magic, new adventures begin. Zap, zap, to the sky, to the sea, caves, swamps, and dungeons too. Ride the dragons, fight the gophers. Oh no, run! Trolls are in the city. Red magic, oh red magic. Make the journey across Magica. Through the vortex into other worlds. Red magic, new adventures begin. Red magic, oh red magic.
Here we are, the jungle. Here we go, the wolf boy. Mowgli, the jungle boy. Deep in the dark forest, founded by a wolf family, the boy was raised as a wolf to be a jungle boy. Learn from a bear, wise old Baloo.
Mowgli, the law of the jungle.